Frustrated with the Enc-amf library DLL pop-up blocking AMD? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. I recommend the automated system scan for Enc-amf library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Enc-amf library, the AMD Advanced Media Framework encoder plugin. It facilitates localized hardware-accelerated H.264 and HEVC encoding on AMD Radeon GPUs. Essential for localized streaming software, OBS Studio, to utilize localized GPU-based encoding. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error usually indicates a missing graphics runtime component affecting Enc-amf library DLL. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX-related DLLs, and update your graphics drivers if the file depends on OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Enc-amf library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Enc-amf library. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Enc-amf library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Enc-amf library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.